Say, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah!
Happy birthday, Nina! Happy birthday!
Surprise! Surprise! Happy birthday, Eva.
Happy birthday!
Birthday.
It's always stay happy, pretty,
Yeah.
and enjoy
Beautiful.
whatever.
Wish you good health and not wealth kasi meron ka na.
Enjoy your party.
More travels!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Pa!
We love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Happy birthday to you, Miss Eva. I'm sorry I will not be able to join the festivities of your 70th year of fabulousness. Okay? You are such a great friend. I consider you like a relative. We've gone way back since Texas Instrument and we always kept in touch. I am so sorry I will not be able to be there and witness the celebration. Okay, I want you to be happy in this moment and take care and be safe. I love you, girl. Okay, so I will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Again, happy birthday. Hello, my beautiful kumare, my sister and best friend. Happy 70th again, and you are so blessed and so loved that you get to celebrate your birthday, 70th birthday twice. Bless your heart, sister. You are such a wonderful person and we are so blessed to have you in our lives, and we wish you a happy birthday once again, and more good health, long life, happiness. And I'm so proud of you for what you're doing right now. You really look great, and hope to see you again soon. And happy birthday again, sister. Love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Eva, from Lani and Ninoy. Bye.
Hello, Eva. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your party and have the best time. Regards to Jason and Cherise.
Hello, Eva. Happy birthday. Enjoy. It's your day. Bye.
Hi, Tita Eva. Just saying hello from Manny.
Happy birthday, Eva. You have a wonderful birthday. At sana'y marami pang birthday na darating. Enjoy your birthday. Advance Merry Christmas. You take care. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita Eva. Happy 70th birthday. I thank the Lord that He's keeping you healthy, and may He continue to keep you healthy and strong. Ingat ka dyan, ha? I wish I could be with you, but I have to be here in OC. Okay, love you, Tita Eva.
Happy birthday, Tita Eva!
Happy birthday, Eva! Enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. Many more birthday to come. Happy 70th birthday. Love you! Bye-bye!
Happy Thanksgiving to the family! Bye-bye!
O ba? Happy birthday! Ito para sa'yo. Happy birthday na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Oh, what more? Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday,
to
Pa!
you.
We love
Happy
you!
birthday! Okay!
Ano?
Ito na. Dadali ko ni Miss. Ito na.
Hi, Lola. I'm Sander. Hi, Lola. I'm Saria. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy Happy birthday, Lola. We wish you. I remember that you said you're gonna go back here. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi po Lola, kamusta po kayo dyan? Happy birthday po. I wish you all the best and we love you po. Enjoy your day.
Hi Lola Eva, happy birthday po. May you have more birthdays to come. I hope you enjoy your day and I hope to see you soon again. Yun lang po, happiest birthday Lola.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come, good health and more sayaw. Have a blast.
Hi ate. Happy birthday, more birthday to come. Ikaw ang best ate.
Ate Eva, happy birthday. Sana good health ka lagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Eva. Uwi mo si Jason dito.
Patricia.
And Patricia. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Eva.
Happy birthday! Oh, enjoy your day, ha? Birthday mo, hindi na namin tatanungin kung ilang taong ka na.
Love you, Ate Eva.
Bye!
Hi, Marge Eva and Junior. Happy 70th birthday to both of you. I wish you two good health
Sabi mo maingay
and
kasi
more
nandito tayo sa
blessings.
reunion. Hindi, ipipaste
Pasensya
nila.
na sa background kasi yung sound ng reunion.
I-edit na lang.
Okay.
I-edit na lang kita. Opo na. Okay na?
Love you both. Bye-bye.
Sabay sa...
Hello, Junior! Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! And to my kumaring Eva, ang pasyonista kong kumare, happy 70th birthday! I love you both! Bye-bye!
Patay mo na.
Tapos susunod mag-I love you tayo. Pa-edit. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Happy birthday to both of you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
friends
you.
from
Happy
Philippines.
birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Junior and Eva.
Happy birthday. We love you both.
Friends from Philippines.
Happiest birthday to you both. From the beautiful ladies of
Philippines.
Manila. Hello, Chai and Cherries and to mga apos. Thank you. Okay.
I-edit.